What's up, guys? It's Jimmy back here on the channel, and today we're going to be taking some 2008 fully powered mirrors and we're going to be figuring them out on the table. I'm going to work through the wiring and stuff, but I thought this would be a little entertaining video for you guys. Before I do get started though, real quick, I got all these parts I just picked out of a 2011 truck. And I'm going to be selling most of them, but some of them I'm going to be keeping. But let me just show you what I got real quick. If anybody is interested in any of this, I got the panels for the floor, the pillar panels, bezels, got a column out of a 2011 6.7, steering wheel. I got pretty much everything. Actually, that steering wheel might be going in my truck, but got doors. Obviously, those are tough to ship. But full set of door panels, King Ranch ones. So I got a lot of stuff here, and if anybody needs it, especially the little pieces that aren't hard to ship, definitely let me know or get in contact with me, because I'm looking to move some of this stuff fast. But yeah, I thought I'd introduce you to that before we get started on today's project. So without further ado, let's go. Alright, here's what the mirrors look like. Obviously the standard Super Duty mirrors, except these ones are the telescoping ones and the folding ones, all power. So yeah, these are just them. We're going to get working on them here. Yeah, so as you can see here, I got my relay for the mirror folding here, and I'm going to trace it back all the way through the wires. You can see it right here. Let me move that thing. And then right here, I'm going to trace it all the way back. I'm going to take all the wires off and everything off so that I have all the wires that I need and the full length of them too. Alright, so I'm going to use this pair of snips here to give me a hand getting some of this tough electrical tape off. You'll see the electrical tape builds up fast. Alright, now you'll see I have my both door harnesses from an 08, and now I got my telescoping switch and I have my mirror switch, but I'm about to take out the telescoping switch here. From these door harnesses. I'm going to cut all the electrical tape out so I can get that button to work, as you can see here. Alright, so now as you can see, I found the pigtail that belongs in the telescoping switch. I'm going to pop it out here, and now I'm going to trace it all the way back and get the full length of wire through the harness. You'll see you'll find some 3-foot long pieces of tape. Alright, so now basically with a give or take a couple wires that I snipped off of there already, I got the whole harness separated all the way down to the plug, so this will help me get it all the way through the door without having to run my own wires or anything. So that's where I'm at here. You can see all the duct tape, or not the duct tape, you can see all the electrical tape over there stacking up. But yep, this is what the easiest solution is, so you don't have to go out and buy a bunch of different colored wires. You just keep these ones how they are and just run them through the door. Now for the passenger side harness, we only care about one plug here since there's no switches or anything. Just get that wire all the way back. Alright, so you can see now that all the wires are everywhere and I got them all wired up. I'm gonna come up with a document or something, type a write-up up for this whole thing, because it's kind of a pain in the butt to do it all at once like this, because this is probably like all chicken scratch to everyone, and I'm really the only one here who knows what this looks like because I wired it. But yeah. Alright, so I simply just plugged in my mirror and got my switch. Now all I gotta do is turn it on. Alright, so now you'll see this one fold right here. You'll see it go. Boom. Out. And of course I don't have this one hooked up because kind of doing it with both of them with this box is a little much, and it struggles. But yeah, that's it. And this one anyway is a little jammed up too, so I gotta fix that. And I think it's getting a little rusty or something because it doesn't move right. It really struggles, so I have to probably take that apart and clean it up. But this one definitely does work, and you can see that this whole wiring mess, I mean, it's everywhere. But I got it hooked up correctly because obviously, as you can see, boom, and it folds, and yeah, you can see it in, out, That's how we go. It's working good. All the way out, all the way in. That's it. Yeah, this one's a little crusty in here. I was just able to get it to fold in with the relay working, but I had to help it a little bit along the way to get it to fold in, and now of course it won't fold out. So I'm gonna have to probably spray it with some stuff and get it loosened up and whatnot, because it's just probably been sitting, you know, it just kind of locks up after a while, but that's it. Alright guys, you can see my mirrors down there. They're working, the one at least. The other one, like I said, a little jammed up. I'm gonna have to fix that, but this is just me roughly wiring them for the first time. I've never wired these up or done anything, but I was able to get them working, as you can see, so hopefully I'll put them on my truck, and I'll probably type up a document or something with the wires, because just explaining it like this all over the table and everything, it's just, that won't cut it. You'll never understand what it looks like. So it's really not that hard, but if I type up a document, it'll be way easier for a lot of people. And just wanted to show you this video so you can see what I'm working on. And yes, I'm still working on stuff. I've been really busy, but I'm trying to keep up with everything, so just bear with me. And that's it, basically. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hit that subscribe button and like this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.